Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Techno Advice. In this video, I will discuss the common Netgear Wi-Fi extender problems and how you can solve it at your home. Let's start. During setup, always place the Netgear extender next to your router. After placement, you can change the extender's placement. The ideal location to place the extender is halfway between your wireless router or access point. But you need to verify that the extender must be within the wireless range of the wireless router or access point. If the Netgear_EXT does not appear in your Wi-Fi networking list, then you need to reset the extender once. Sometimes, due to communication issue, your extender can't able to broadcast to the SSID. Reset is the only solution. Here, you also need to refresh the Wi-Fi networking list on your mobile or computer device. If you can't log into your Netgear Wi-Fi extender, then you need to ensure that you're connected to its EXT Wi-Fi. If you are connected, then try alternate addresses like mywifixt.com or its IP 192.168.1.250. If you still can't able to log in, then clear browser cache, use a different browser or device. Sometimes browser cache or IP conflicts may cause of the Netgear extender login not working issue. If your Netgear extender's speed is slow and you can't able to access some apps or websites, then you need to check the firmware. If your Netgear extenders require a firmware update, then you need to update it. Log in the extender admin page and go to the advanced option. Here, you need to check for updates. Also check the router's firmware. Because if your router or extender's firmware is not updated, then the speed will be slow or it keeps disconnecting. If you are unable to configure Netgear Wi-Fi extender or it's not working, then you can reach us for the technical assistance. Thanks for watching.